Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, I'll be talking about a certain internship that is by Government of India. So this internship is called Skill India Power BI internship, and that is offered by, obviously the Government of India. So this certification holds really high credibility, and this is absolutely free. So if you do this kind of certification, this would be added in your resume, and this would definitely give you so many opportunities in the business industry. So this internship basically isn't just about theory. You will be working on the real time data, and that is a business data, and you will be working on the business data sets, and you will be providing the insights and the impacts on the business, and you will be doing a visualization. You will be creating certain dashboards, reports, all of that on a real business data. So you'll also get the business data exposure here. So this is not just limited to mugging up certain theory and performing in the exams. It is more than that. So you'll also be learning the Power BI, as this internship is called Master Power BI Data Analyst Internship. So herein you will be mastering the Power BI, and by mastering the Power BI, you'll be learning data modeling and data transformation. And then you'll also work on DAX and Power Querying in advanced analytics. You'll be creating interactive dashboards and reports and much more. So Skill India digital transformation or digital internship is targeted for the people of India, and herein you will be getting everything for free. So it is not something that you have to pay something. It is directly by Government of India. So everybody who is willing to take up a data analytics certification and not able to pay, this is something that you could do. And the duration of this internship is 1 month, and it is in online mode, so it is could be accessible to everybody. This is an instructor led training, but this could also be self-paced. So there are videos as well wherein you could do the self-paced training as well if you have missed out on any online internship or in any online classes. So you can do that as well, but this is majorly a instructor led training. So the applications are open, anyone can apply, and the internship would start from August 1 and it would go till 1st of October. So please do apply to this internship. So if you are interested in knowing what is the actual internship application form looks like, I'm gonna be going to my computer screen and will show you. And one thing that I forgot to tell you is that if you're an undergraduate willing to go into the data industry, you are welcome to apply for this internship. And then there are categories. If you're an engineer, architect, and want to transition to data analysis, you can do this internship as well. And there are people who are at home and willing to start up their career and have not opted for any kind of career. They could also apply to this. So this is open for all, and this will definitely give you industry exposure. Then you will be learning where to apply, how to prepare a resume, and a lot of things that you will learn during this internship. So please do apply to this if you are really wanting to switch your career into the data industry. So yeah, let me go to the computer screen and show you how to do the application process. So this is how the dashboard looks like, and here is the link that I'm going to be providing you in the description box below. Do check that out, because sometimes what it happens is you don't have the link and you cannot apply, and because of the delay you forgot certain important things that you have to learn. So, or you have to apply certain application, you tend to forget such things. So I'm going to be linking this in the description box. Do check that out. So this is the internship, Power BI Data Analyst Internship. This is absolutely free. The duration is 1 month, and you will be learning a lot of Power BI stuff over here. So the domain of this internship is data science and engineering. Mode is online, obviously. Occupation data analytics. Credits available, no. So you have to have 12th, post graduation, graduation 10th. Either of them would actually make sense, and you can do the certification. Internship outcomes: proficiency in Power BI, learn to create dashboard and report using Power BI, data integration and modeling, integrate and model data from various sources of analysis, advanced data analysis, everything that you need in data analytics. Use techniques like trend analysis, performance metrics. Then there are reporting and presentation skills, present data insights to clearly drives decisions. Basically, they are making you industry ready to get into the data analytics without paying any penny to the courses that you feel that are actually valuable to you, but just a free internship and everything sorted out. Gain expertise in Power BI to enhance career opportunity, real world business experience, work on real business problem to create actionable insights. So how to apply? You can click on apply. Then if you have not registered, you have to register it and then log in. Then you have to apply. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna take your like your chance from it. So it's very easy process. You can definitely apply. So there are job exchange as well. So if you go to here, you can also find out the jobs that are actually going on in the industry. You can apply through here as well. So it's not like that you only need LinkedIn or Naukri. Here are also jobs there. There are skill courses as well in the Skill India program. Do check that out if any of them interest you. But my recommendation is obviously the data analysis. I know a lot of data analysis stuff, so I recommend you to go through that if you're interested. And yeah, this was it for this video. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, do write in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comments. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time.